Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another hair video, and this time I'm going to show you how to get these loose curls using your round brush attachment from the Dyson Airwrap. This has actually become my go-to hairdo for work. I feel like it's not as dress up as a full-blown curl blowout, so I've been loving it. It feels effortless and it looks just really pretty. So if you want to see how I do it, then please keep on watching. All right, so let's get this hair down, and I'm starting with wet hair first. I'm fresh out of the shower and I'm going in with the Mitchel Extra Body Daily Boost Root Lifter all over the roots. This is to get the most volume as I can. I have very thin and fine hair, so I use this to try to make my hair look fuller. And then we're gonna brush out our hair to get those knots out. And after that, I'm gonna blow dry it, and we wanna get it to like 80% dry, so not fully dry. We're gonna brush it out again, and we're gonna start sectioning. I'm going ear to ear first and starting at the very bottom. We're gonna put the rest of the hair up in a scrunchie. And I'm gonna start with the section on my left and work left to right. And you'll notice that I'll have fewer sections than other people, and that's just because, again, I have very fine hair, so it's like I only have like 3 hairs to style, so that'll be why. So we brushed out that first section, clipped the rest out of the way, and with your brush, what you want to do is start brushing it underneath. And you're doing that first to get the hair completely dry. And as you're taking the brush down, you're pulling down and twisting as you go to get a little bit of curl on there on the ends. And when you're done with that first go underneath, you go over and you flip the wand upside down and you wrap the hair on the brush once away from the face, and you do the same thing. Pull and twist, and just pull and twist, and you're gonna do that all the way down, just pulling and twisting all the way to the very ends. Pulling and twisting, that's the key. And whenever you see that I pause, it's because I want the hair to completely dry so the curl sets. And then you let go once you're at the very bottom, and this is your curl. You twist it a little bit with your hands to kind of like encourage the curl to stay there, and then just use some hairspray to set it and forget it. And then after that, you just move on to the very next section, clip it out of the way, brush it out, do the round brush under the hair, and then go over. And just so you know, I'm using the hottest setting for this and full speed. Keep going down, twist and pull, and just go slow. Take your time with this. And if the curl didn't do what you wanted it to do, no worries, just do the same thing one more time until it looks the way that you want it to. And this is what we do throughout. I do have to say that the sections on the back of the head are the hardest. This is where your arm's gonna start to get tired. And of course, let's normalize sectioning the hair with the mouth. It's a must, you know? And yeah, once you're done with the bottom section, you just work your way up, let down the next section, tie up the rest with a scrunchie, and work left to right. Brush out your sections, round brush underneath, twist and pull, and then go over, wrap the hair around once, and then twist and pull away from the face all the way down, and just keep going. And then as far as baby hairs goes, I have a lot of these where they're really curly close to the root. So I used to really flatten those out with a flat hair iron, but if you use the round brush really close to the scalp and brush them back, they'll flatten out, and I'll demonstrate that again in the top section. And now we're on the top section. This is the most important one in my opinion. This is the one that's visible, that people see. So of course we do our part down the middle. We clip the right section out of the way and work left to right, starting at the back. Brush it out, really get it dry. And then go over, wrap it once away from the face and start twisting and pulling, same thing, working downwards, and just keep repeating that. And now we're at the very front section, and this is where I really want to smooth out those baby hairs I have and that are like super curly at the root. So when I do the round brush under the hair, I really make sure to go close to the scalp to really smooth and straighten those out. And then just keep going. I do these front sections a few times because these are the most important ones, and I really want those curls to show. And then we repeat the same thing on the other side. And if the sections underneath get pulled and kind of like wrapped into that top section, that's okay, just let them blend in. Again, I'm really smoothing out those baby hairs. And once you're done, you just do a quick check to see if there are any pieces you need to redo for more curl. You hit the hair one more time with some hairspray, you zhuzh it up, and your look is complete. This is how to do these easy, loose kind of curls using your Dyson Airwrap, the round brush attachment. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give this video a like if you did like it, and subscribe if you haven't yet before you leave. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having a really great day, and see you on the next one. Bye guys.